Tap in if you're a 2000 and 2009 baby Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if you are between these years right here, you can make this video. So let me show you how you can do it. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Elian John YTT. Once you are on my page, you can go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So once you are here, you just have to click until you find that story, and I think it's the last one. And if you like, you can check these stories right here if you want. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get this link if you don't want to search it on YouTube. So I will show you from where you can get it in the Instagram app. So now let's go to our uploads and choose a background photo. You can choose a photo with you. I will go with this photo right here. You can place your sticker where you want. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So now let me show you from where you can get that link. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, go to super viral at highlights. And there we have it. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can check this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.